That's it, 40. She's leaving. Our girl's gone, bro.
I'm crying.
That's it. She's gone. They'll be here in a few minutes. Scarlett's new owners. Here they are. What's up, winner chicken dinner?
It's good, bro.
You ready?
Yeah, man.
You ready to take her home?
I'm dying to take her home. I couldn't sleep last night.
What's up, Brody? What's up, brother? Sorry. What do you think?
She's something. Last time I seen her, she wasn't even built.
No, yeah, right? She's ready to go, man. She's all... You got a plate for her. You could take her home in a few minutes, but just go over it. Sit in it. Get ahead. Feel it out. See if that seat feels good on you. Gabe was number 116, right?
Yep.
116. What part of CT?
Bridgeport.
Bridgeport. CT. It's your car, man. Yeah, fire it up. Just put it in neutral. You don't have to hit the clutch. Yeah, it's E85. It's E85, so sometimes the cold start's a little bit rough, but just hold the ignition all the way, and it'll fire right up, and just let it warm up a bit, and then start driving it. Pop that hood, check it out.
Better than Honda days, bro. Better than Honda days.
H-Days, the goats, man. They give away beauties too. 40's gonna miss it.
40 left in the car.
Your car, man.
Yeah, posted I was gonna go, but...
All right, Gabi, you ready for a ride?
Yes, sir.
Let's go. Let's do this. All right, so your title's here. I'll put it in the glove box for you. Fire it up. Like I said, you don't have to hit the clutch. Yeah, you'll get used to it. Go ahead. Idle a bit. Now, first, second, and third, like first and second, it's just way too much spin. So I suggest let's just try to get to third gear and then just floor it. Smell that E85?
Mm-hmm. This smells crazy.
Alright, so try to get to third gear quick and then floor it. Yeah, do your thing. Hold on, floor it in second, yeah.
This shit is happy like a motherfucker.
Try to do a 1, 2, 3. You got a lot to get used to, man. You got a lot to get used to, bro.
Man.
It's a fast car. Like I said, just try to go like, just try to get on the highway, put it in third, get the feel for it, and then eventually second and first will get there. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it got balls though.
How was that ride, man?
This is something I gotta get used to it, but this shit got balls.
So you are going to go to the BP gas station on Nepperhan Avenue. So try to find it. They sell E85. Yep. They sell E85 there. Here's 20 bucks for gas.
Street, toward Mount
Oh, man.
Place.
It should fill up with 20 bucks out of half a tank.
Yeah, it's not gonna be moving for like another.
Yeah, it's not even far. It's like, what does it say, 9 minutes away?
Yeah,
Not bad.
2 miles. If that.
Not bad. Enjoy the car, bro. Drive it safe, man. Keep the legacy alive in her.
Yeah, she'll be around. I'll still bring her back.
Yeah, absolutely, man. Bring her back. I want to see her in a few weeks to see
Thanks,
what you do
man.
to
I
it.
appreciate everything, and you'll see her soon. And I'll see you at Lebanon.
Yes, sir. Can't wait to see you there.
All right,
Brody,
baby. Nice
meeting
baby.
you, man.
All right,
God
40.
bless, guys.
All right, 40.
Take care.
Take care of her, man. Later, Brody. You drive it like Aki?